Hey fam, Married at First Sight Season 2 cast. In retrospect, is Bongani actually worse than Tshepo? And his recommitment to Portia, was it a coercion or something that they wanted to do? Let's talk about this. But before we do that, I would like to take this moment to say that I was wrong in using Tulu's content without his consent. He made contact asking me to remove it, so I did that. I apologize. Now back to what brought us here, Bongani. We overlooked a lot of things when it comes to this man. We were so wrapped up in him being this ideal guy that we overlooked a lot of things that Portia herself even mentioned. On episode 13, there are some things that Portia mentioned that I felt like we also overlooked, mainly because Portia had made some really horrible remarks when it comes to this man. She said that Bongani has this need to win arguments instead of seeking peace. He has the tendency to want to be heard without listening. He sidelines his feelings and voice because of his pride. He allowed a third party into their marriage, and when that person insulted Portia, he didn't protect her. Instead, he hid the whole situation from her. His failure to acknowledge when she's in pain, his mood swings that she had mentioned while she was having a chat with the ladies. And on this third party, I want us to acknowledge that Bongani's lady friend, ex-lover, whatever she is to him, wouldn't have insulted Portia if Bongani had not created a playground for her in their marriage. So him having created that platform for this lady, but also going on to not acknowledge Portia's hurt, that was concerning, because I feel like in a relationship, when the other party expresses how hurt they are, for a mere fact that they're letting you know how they feel, you should at least acknowledge that. But he didn't in this situation. Also, I feel like they shouldn't have allowed for that coercion from the experts for them to recommit. Because on that podium, when they were saying why they are not recommitting to one another, they were mentioning really valid points. Bongani was saying how he wasn't sure if he should or should not. Honestly, I feel like you should never do something that you're not sure of. Also, Portia was mentioning all these concerns.
And the answer to all of that is no. I choose you.
I am not recommitting.
Okay.
Should have been the final word. And apparently before the recommitment ceremony aired, there were rumors that Bongani might have broken up with Portia and was with Chabi Motaung, who's also said to be a friend of his and was also at his Joburg book launch. But also according to those who attended his book tour, he has apparently been saying his wife has been a support system for him. So maybe that's still good. Another thing is, while I was busy minding other people's business, I saw someone on a gossip blog saying that Alisa Mpagi of Married at First Sight was busy in her man's DMs.
The streets are cold.
Portia and Bongani, I feel like production did us really dirty by focusing more on Tshepo and Makoto drama and less on this couple, because now majority of the things they are talking about we didn't see on screen, but hopefully we will see some of them on the reunion episode, because they said unseen footage is going to be played out. So hopefully we'll get more on them. On Bongani, do you feel like we overlooked a lot of things about him and that he's in the very same bracket with Tshepo, or what? Let's continue this in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.